Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, how are you guys? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start lesson 10, which is fractions on a number line. And thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You're amazing. Yeah, and you're the best audience. Let's begin. So fractions on a number line. So here we have a question number 1 and we have to solve these boxes. There are certain values that should be inside these boxes. We have to find out what are those values. Now see, if you focus, the fraction over here is 1 over 6, then 2 over 6, then 4 over 6. So if you look at the denominator values, 6 is keep on repeating. So this 6 tells us that total number of patches on this number lines are 6, right? If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the reason why denominator values keep on repeating. So this 6 tells us total number of patches, or the distance from here till end is 6 units. So we have to keep on adding 6 in the denominator. Start writing 6 in the denominators inside these boxes. Right now we have to find out the numerator value. So if you see the pattern, and the question is following is 1, 2, and then we have 4, 5. So these two values will tell us what pattern they're following, and this will help in finding out the unknown pattern. So it is basically adding 1. So 1, add 1 in it, you'll get 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 over 6 is basically equal to 1, right? Okay, moving on to the second question. So in this case the denominator value is 4. It means if we start counting, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, but we still have further patches. What about those patches? So now see, since the denominator value is 4, the total number of patches in a one sequence are 4. So from here to here, this is a one patch, one complete sequence, and then that particular sequence is keep on repeating from here to here, and then it's keep on repeating for the next third sequence, right? So the denominator value is 4, so start writing denominator value, which is 4. 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. Okay, next. So the pattern they're following is, this is 2, this is 3, and so this number should be what? So see, they are basically reducing the numbers. 3 minus 1 you'll get 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. And if you keep on adding, so 1, 2, 3, next number should be 4. So this is equal to 4 over 4 is equal to what? So this is equal to 1, or you can write 1 here, right? Then we have, now see, this is a one complete sequence. So we are done with this sequence. Now the next sequence is just after it. So that's why this is the reason they have keep on adding 1 in a whole number. See, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So this is 1. Now at this place, since the total number of patches are 4, and since we have just completed the first patch, so that's when the numerator value is 1. Then in the second patch, the numerator value is 2. Total number of patches are 4. Then once we reached at this point, the patches we have traveled so far are 1, 2, 3. So this is the reason numerator value is 3, and the denominator tells the total number of patches are 4. Now in this case, once we reached at this point, so how they have written this 2 here? Now see, the 1 is already there. Okay, write 1 here. Now the patches we have already covered are 4. So we have traveled the distance 4, and the total number of patches are also 4. So 4 over 4 will give you what? 1 again, and 1 was there. So 1 plus 1 will give you what? 1 plus 1 will give you 2, right? So this is the reason they have written 2 here. Now what should be next? This is 4 actually. Okay, let me erase this thing. So total number of patches are again 4 here. Now we have start over sequence after 2. So 2 is my whole number, and we have just traveled one patch. So 1 should be here. And if there are more patches you keep on adding, then it will become 2 whole, 2 over 4. Then for the third patch, 2 whole, 3 over 4. And then fourth patch, 2 whole, 4 over 4. So 4 over 4 will give you 1, and then that will become 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So basically in this question they have covered the one sequence, and in each sequence there are 4 patches. The second sequence, and in that second sequence again there are 4 patches, and for the third sequence there is just one patch, right? So this is how you solve these fractions on a number line. So this is just these are just 2 sample questions to make you understand the concept. You can practice the similar kind of questions on your own from your textbook, school book, or from the internet sources. So keep practicing. So that's it for our today's session. Stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and thank you very much guys for once again for watching and learning here. Keep learning and stay safe out there. See you after.